Hey, welcome back to Out the Smoke. I'm Malcolm Reed. Got my buddy Mark Williams here with me. Mark, what are we doing today, man?
You done brought a crock pot up here is all I know.
This is not my contraption. It's actually yours. You're the one.
It's the wife's. It's not mine. It's not mine.
So it's a Ninja air fryer. That's all the rage now. People have these Ninjas inside and they're cooking stuff. Our buddies at Grill Grates actually made a grill grate for it. Mark, pick that thing up and show what it looks like.
I mean, looks like a grill grate.
It's the same metal, same technique that we're using outside on our charcoal grills. They're adapting for these air fryers. And so they sent me one, and I'm sure this one was just a prototype, but we're gonna see if we can make it work in this Ninja air fryer. We've got some chops here. These are just center cut pork chops. I figured if they can grill a pork chop, they can put some sear marks on it, get it done.
Never know.
It might not be bad if you're inside, can't get outdoors. So today here at Out the Smoke, we're out to smoke. We're gonna test out this air fryer.
We're in the crock pot.
We're in the crock pot. So what's the first thing, Mark? We're going to get this thing cranked up and get that grate seasoning, because it's never been cooked on, right?
I guess we gotta fire a pit up. I guess that's what we gotta do.
Let's fire it up.
She's on. We'll go ahead and get our grate put in here.
We're just dropping it. It fits perfect down in the basket. I do notice that. So they got that measurement right at Grill Grate.
All right. So we want to grill, right? So we're gonna grill. You want the big flame?
Let's do the big flame. Give it all she's got. Maximum power.
Tip. 510's all she got.
Hey, that'll cook a steak. I know it'll cook a pork chop.
I ain't never preheated some grill grates like this. It's a little bit different.
Hey, if you're in a dorm room or an apartment, this might be the ticket. Before this thing takes off here on the table, Mark, you're gonna throw some seasoning on these chops.
Oh yeah.
You can go anything on them. We're just using some what? Some Mississippi
grind. That's World Championship pork chop seasoning.
That's it. You got to have that proper technique. See how he's doing that shaky, shaky, shake? Puts that first coat on there. It's kind of like priming. I'm going to go ahead and get a little cooking spray on these grates too, just so we make sure our pork chops don't stick. These are brand new, so they need a little bit of grease on them.
All right, Malcolm.
It says add food. What are we going to do? Let's check that temp.
See how hot these grates are.
What are they reading?
About 475 right now.
That's hot enough for a chop, Mark.
Time to put a chop in there.
You gonna do two or one at a time?
We're gonna do two.
All right.
Is that real sizzle or is that speaker sizzle?
I don't know, I think you got the Ninja on high sizzle.
Press them in, get it closed. All right, Malcolm, we're grilling, so we ain't gonna fool with no timer. We're just gonna crank it up to 30 minutes, and we're gonna use our gut instinct. We'll flip them here in a few minutes.
I've got 2 minutes going. We'll do that old rotate.
We're 4 minutes in. It's time to
Got
flip
some
them.
fat sizzle, Mark.
Man,
what do they look like?
that ain't a bad grill, Mark.
Hey, that's a Ninja grill right there. Let's keep rocking and rolling.
Press them in, get the lid shut.
All right, we've been cooking these chops about 8 minutes. I'm wanting to see between 135, 140 internal on them. Mark, what's it reading there?
140, so we're there.
I'm gonna grab them. Let's get them off here. Put them right on the cutting board. But check them out. We've got some awesome grill marks, both sides of the chops. That was the first cook on those grates. As we cook more pork chops, we're gonna get even better color on them. Definitely looks like it came off an outdoor grill, but it come off an air fryer right here indoors. So Mark, we cooked these 4 chops in about 16 minutes total time. And the looks of them, I'm ready to try them, man, because they passed the look test.
They look like a grilled pork chop.
The old grill grate inside the air fryer, I mean, so far it's getting
Fat got crispy, that's what I like.
Yeah, it's sizzling. We got some char on them. We finally got our grate sizzling. They're just now ready to cook. Cut me up some,
ready
brother.
to try it?
Yeah, look at that, perfectly done all the way
Pack full of
across.
moisture.
Is the air fryer with the grill grate gonna beat the George Foreman? I want a piece with that fat on the outside.
Let's find out.
It was really good.
Really good.
I'm going back for another one. Needs a little bit of glaze or something on it.
I can work with that though.
Oh, all day long.
So Malcolm, that ain't a bad chop. I would definitely do that any day of the week.
I'm telling you, the grill grate for the air fryer, flat works. They did a good job making that one. I will be using that one at home when I don't feel like firing up the grill. What about you?
Oh yeah, we'll fire it up.
Hey y'all, thanks for hanging out with us at Out the Smoke. If y'all like what we're doing here, subscribe to the channel. You can find Mark over at Swine Life BBQ. Y'all know y'all can find me on HowtoBBQRight. Follow us on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. We'll see y'all next time.